So I had to do a video for today, the 4th of August 2020, because we've finally been knocked out of a D1 daily chart accelerator strategy trade on the euro against the US dollar. And this is one of the longest living trades I've seen for a long while. And the euro has been in a massive drive upwards, as well as the dollar in a massive drive downwards. And we had a buy back on the 1st of July as that vector average turned back from red to green, telling us that now prices are starting to rise. It's then all about context. Is this a buy? Is this a turn up that we want to be taking? And when you look at this opportunity, there is a lot going for this as a buy trade. So I'm not surprised it went on to be a very profitable one. Not necessarily expecting a move of 600-700 points, but certainly you'd expect a decent move from this. And here's why. What you're going to look for is the reasons for the opportunity. What are the trends doing? Well, look, you look on the left-hand side of the chart. You've got our trend finding tool there. The weekly has got a green arrow pointing up, monthly green arrow pointing up. This is suggesting that this is a turn up, i.e. a potential buying opportunity, in line with the weekly trend direction and in line with the monthly trend direction. So we're harmonizing with those longer term trends. We also look at our intermediate trend as well, and it sounds like we're looking at quite a lot of things, but we're looking for just 2 or 3 or 4 of these elements to come together to improve and increase trade confidence. This line being a blue line or orange. Blue suggests uptrend for the intermediate trend there. Orange suggests a down intermediate trend. So on that bar, on the close of that bar, on the 1st of July, it was an upswing and in line with the up intermediate trend. So that's 3 elements, 3 trend elements suggesting that this market is likely to drive higher. Finally, chart patterns. Really simple. Let's forget head and shoulders, cup handle, and whatever else you might call them. There was the previous low. There was the low on this rotation. This is a higher low than this one, which suggests it's in an upward pattern. We don't have to go into much more detail than that. The reason simply is, let's just cut to the basics. What do we really need to see to show an ascending pattern? Well, high highs, high lows. We see a higher low there for the buy. We've got a higher low. We've got the right chart pattern. We've got 3 forms of trend in our favor. We've got 4 ticks out of 4. And this is what adds weight to that trade. And the best part is, they're all really simple, really easy to identify. And here we are from an entry of around 112.51. You can see how the price went up to just north of 119 just a couple of days ago. Now it has rotated back down now, and we're already out of the trade. But fantastic opportunity. Would I be taking this short? No, because we're seeing higher highs. We're seeing those trends continue to post higher. It may well have a big sell-off from here, but I'm not interested. I'm going to be waiting for the next high probability trade, whichever way that might be. So for now, we sit on our hands, having crystallized a really nice profit on this, 650 point move on the euro dollar over the whole of July. Fantastic opportunity.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.